Hey, Abundant Parents, it's Leah. In this video, we're going to talk all about how those tricky experiences in our life are all actually good. They're all guiding us, and that we can use our intuition and our guidance to help us through those times. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Also, please subscribe. I do post a new video at least once a week, sometimes more, so also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. Something that's been coming up a lot lately in my conversations is about how life experiences, both good and bad, help to guide us along our path and to help awaken us to a greater understanding of our existence. So when I saw this quote by Abraham Hicks, I just knew that I had to make a video about this. Okay, so Abraham Hicks says, it's your life experience that gives you your true knowing. Pretty powerful, right? Not only is this advice extremely helpful to me as a woman, as a soul, but as a parent, it reminds me not to protect my children from the experiences that will shape their life. Let your children fall. Let your children fail. Let your children hurt. Let them rebel. Then help guide them to see all that they've learned by not getting it absolutely right the first time. And this kind of brings me to my next point, that a child educated in intuition and in feeling in alignment really frees themselves from the opinions of others. When you're worrying about what everyone else is thinking about you, it really shuts you off to your own inner guidance. So the greatest gift you can give your children, the greatest gift you can give yourself, is teaching and learning that forgotten art of listening to your intuition. Show your kids what their intuition is, what it feels like, and how it feels for them, and how they can know when it's guiding them. So feeling in alignment, feeling good, that is absolutely intuition's bestie, their best friend. Your intuition is always giving you nudges, always communicating to you through how you feel. So of course, it's really, really important to validate your kids' feelings, letting them know that all feelings are okay. It's what you do with those feelings, right? The more your kids hone their confidence, their awareness, and their guidance, the less they're going to rely on those influences of others. They will also come to realize that when faced with making a decision, faced with choosing between that voice within and the requests of others, one is always guiding them on their true path. Thank you so much for watching. I know your parenting time can be valuable and limited. If you're interested in hearing more, I invite you to check out the Abundant Parent membership. Each month, I bring in an expert in their field to help guide you and learn tools to be the best parent that you can be, the parent that connects with your kids best. If you'd like to hear more, go to theabundantparent.com. You're going to want to click on the tab that says membership. Thank you again, and I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance.
No woman left behind.